You not give me no life food. Daddy, me hungry. Me hungry, yeah, man.
Where just a boy? Get up on yourself, grow, so you be a ugly boy, you pay food. Come grow, some man. Young boy. And him not provide food and I ask me if me not give him none. Not even want to know in a yard. Right. Belly full. Oi, sir. Make sure you can wash up them plate there, you know. Oh, come in here, I know ramping with you. Me a grow you some.
Wash up bush plate. Yo, me not do nothing here, man. Could you mount a plate over there, so too? What's it mad? Right now, what do you think, God? You want no plate? Tell me, I tell you.
What you saying, I do?